The 6210 video fluoroscopy table includes the following standard accessories: a seat cushion, a hand control for the motors, a plastic funnel with holder, one fixed and one removable armrest, one removable side rail, two heavy-duty leg rests with holders, two fold-up footrests, optional restraint straps. To begin setup, remove the table and all accessories from the crate. Move it to a clear and convenient location and apply the brakes. Plug the power cable for the table into the wall and raise it to a convenient height using the top left button on the hand control. Place the seat cushion on the table, applying the self-adhesive Velcro strips to hold it in place. The Velcro strap for the patient should be secured around the backrest until needed. Rotate the armrest lock counterclockwise. Insert the armrest into place and rotate the lock clockwise to secure it. The armrest can be moved by rotating the handle directly underneath it counterclockwise, sliding it to the desired location, then rotating the handle clockwise to secure it again. Insert the plastic drainage funnel holder at the end of the table underneath the seat. Line up the bracket and slide into place. Insert the plastic funnel into the holder. The flow meter will then sit underneath the funnel. Locate the square openings below the seat of the chair and slide the footrests into the tracks. The left and right side footrests can be identified by the silver triangle piece on each, which should be positioned toward the outside of the seat. To convert the footrests to become an extension to the seat, lift and push in the black lever while lifting the footrests up. The length of the footrests can be adjusted by lifting the black latch on the side. The footrest can be slid left or right to suit the patient. To remove the footrests, lift the silver triangle piece above the black lever and slide the footrest out. Unscrew the locking bolts at the front of the rails underneath the sides of the seat with a 5mm Allen key. Rotate the handle on the leg rest holder counterclockwise to loosen and slide it onto the track. Then replace the lock on the track with the Allen key. Insert the leg rest into the holder. Adjust the height and angle to your preference, and then rotate the handle on the leg rest holder clockwise to lock it into place. You can adjust the angle of the leg rest pad with the swivel directly underneath it.